Name is Wanyonyi James, Deputy Principal Administration, Mobamba High School. Welcome. Our total enrollment for 2025 was 425 candidates. Out of the 425 candidates, gender balance was 173 girls, 255 boys. Quality grades and university transition, C+ and above. We had an enrollment of 255 boys. Out of the 255 boys, 211 scored C+ and above. We also had 173 girls. Out of 173, 154 scored C+ and above. So you realize that total university qualifiers is 365 students out of 425 total enrollment. It is an impressive 85.28% transition rate to university. Our mean score growth is as follows. The school shows an upward trend in academic performance. In 2024, our mean was 7.28, that is a C+. In 2025, we had 7.66, that is a B-. So our mean deviation here is 0.4. Now I just want to very briefly give the grade analysis of the entire enrollment. So as I said before, we have 428 candidates for 2025, 255 boys and 173 girls. A plain, boys 0, girls 0. A-, boys 1, girls 1. B+, boys 9, girls 7. B plain, girls 42, boys 42, girls 40. B-, boys 93, girls 55. C+, boys 66, girls 51. C plain, boys 30, girls 15. C-, boys 11, girls 3. D+, boys 3, girls 1. D plain 0, 0, D-, 0, 0, E 0, 0, X, Y, Z 0, 0. So our main grade for boys was 7.64, girls 7.74. So the overall total grade was 7.67. That is our main grade for the school 2025. This is just a provisional result as we wait for the official release